Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, and let's begin with another course which is TypeScript. So in this course we are going to explain how to use TypeScript. We are going to explain the basics and some of the advanced features for TypeScript. So let's begin with TypeScript, and let's say what do we need as a prerequisite to this course. We need to install, as you can see here, the IDE, which is a Visual Studio Code, and we need to install Node.js. We also need to add Node Home, and that should be all. I have covered all of these in a previous video, so I'm going to put the link in the description, and let's begin with this one. So after doing all of this, I have created a folder. I called it TypeScript Basics, and I'm going to click here to open the terminal, and let's do some configuration. So I'm going to open the terminal. I'm going to use a CMD, and I need to install two items now. So I need to install TypeScript itself. And how to do this, we're going to write in npm install -g and TypeScript. After clicking enter, let me close this one. You can see here the package has been changed. For me it is changed because I have it already, but for you it might be installed. So I need to install one more thing, npm install -g, and now I need to install the ts node and then enter again. Now we have almost everything that we need to run the TypeScript. What do we need? What else do we need? We need to install the configuration file. To do this, we're going to say tsc -init. And as you can see here that the TypeScript config file have been created. We're not going to talk about it much for now, so I'm going to leave it for now, and let's create our first file in TypeScript. I'm going to call it basics.ts, and ts refers to TypeScript, and I'm going to print something here, console.log, the almighty hello world, and let me put here the semicolon. Okay, so now we need to run this one. We can't run a TypeScript file without compiling it to JavaScript. So how to run it, or to compile it to JavaScript? I'm going to use the tsc again, and then I need to say we are in the root, so I'm going to put ./basics.ts, enter. As you can see here, it has compiled it into JavaScript, and now to run the JavaScript file, I will click node.basics.ts, enter. And as you can see, it has printed the console here. Okay, is there another way? Yes, of course there is another way. I'm going to open the extensions here, and I'm going to install the code runner. As you can see here, I have previously installed it, so I have it here. You need to install it, and then I will go back here, and I will right click on the TypeScript file, and I will click run code, and here we go. It has run the TypeScript without compiling it, because it do that in the background. Also, I have this play button. You can click on this one, and again it did run the TypeScript file.